As many residents might remember, the consultation that was done about Filham, the big Filham master plan, identified that a lot of people wanted to see new facilities down at Filham. And this includes things like a cafe, a toilet, but importantly, outdoor activities that are open for all. So as part of that, we've been working closely with the council to develop a pump park that will be hopefully built down at the Filham Park area. It's going to be for everybody. We want to make this as inclusive and accessible as we can, so that everybody in the community can get involved and benefit from it. So the idea is that behind a pump park is that it's available for all different wheeled users. So that includes people in wheelchairs, it includes skateboards, it includes BMX, bikes and scooters, basically anybody. So the idea is that it's different levels, different sort of grades, so it means that everybody can get something from it no matter what they're looking for. It's a very bold and ambitious project, but we think that these opportunities don't come up very often. So we want to make this really count and spend a lot of time to get it right, which is why we've done a lot of consultations with the community, and that's ongoing. So we're constantly looking for feedback to understand what people want. But what we're seeing and what we're envisioning for the site is a wonderful pump park, and then adjacent to that what we'll have is open 24 hours toilets for people to use, anybody that's using Filham Park and the surrounding area. There'll also be some stores there for the Ivy Bridge Town Council, so their rangers will be able to keep equipment down there. We'll have a cafe that will be able, again, for anybody that's using Filham, and we'll have a covered space, so an area that will allow us to run a range of different activities, from coaching lessons to woodland activities, so that whatever the weather, we'll be able to do something down at the site. So hopefully it will sit very nicely with the existing vegetation and the setting there adjacent to the allotments, and it will be a site that people want to come down to and be very much a destination. We know that people travel to take skateboards, they travel with their BMXs to new venues, and we think this will certainly put Ivy Bridge on the map in terms of the facilities that it's going to provide for the community and the South Hams. It's close to the town centre. Everybody should be able to walk or wheelchair or cycle down to the site, and so we're looking to make sure that the access to the site is improved as well as part of that. So it's looking at everything that we do and improving our active travel, so that when the site is in place, people are not dependent on having to drive to the site, and that's ultimately better for air pollution and for the community as a whole.